Hello everyone. So how you can install Python in your Windows system? Okay, so how we can do that in Windows 11? So let's go to our Chrome browser. Okay, you can open any browser if you want to. So I'll just search here Python download. Okay, search Python download in the Google. Okay, so now you can see the first link. This is the official link. So click the first link, and also you can select the dedicated version if you want to, just like say we select 3.13.2. okay, so this version I'll share the link in the description. You can click on it and direct open it. Okay, so just scroll down and now you can see something familiar. Okay, so this one. Okay, install Windows installer 64-bit. We need this one. Okay, to install our operating system. Okay, so just click on it and it will ask me where I want to download it. Okay, so I'll just save it. So it's downloaded successfully, you can see here. Okay, so double click on the setup, it will automatically run and you can right click on and run it, open it. Okay, so I'll just double click on it. Okay, so this is something you have to think about that. Okay, so now you can see here there are some options. Okay, you can customize download, you can install directly with your user. Okay, with on your user. Okay, so use admin privilege when you installing the pyexe. Okay, and add exe path. Okay, so click on it and click on customize installation. Okay, why I customize installation? Because I don't want to install dedicated user. Okay, we have to install this Python on machine. Okay, so just click on next. Now you can see something is different. Okay, because it's downloading on the user level. Okay, so here is the option install Python 3.3 for all users. So click on it. When you click on it, the Python installation path is changed. Okay, now you can see and click on install. When you click on install, it will ask you to permission, ask will for your permission. So click say yes, and when you say yes, it will run and it will take a little bit time. Okay, so now you can see the setup is downloaded successfully. So Python is installed successfully. Okay, so just close it and I'll show you the Python. Okay, now I can search cmd and python Python. Okay, now you can see the Python is running. Okay, so you can see. Okay, Python 3.13.2. Okay, so that's it, and I'll quit. Okay, so that's it, and you can also search here Python. Okay, so that's it, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, bye.